Hi everybody, welcome back to another Food Review Long channel. My name is Nick Mangione. Thank you very much for joining me today, folks. Well, folks, if you saw the review that I did today on the Cheetos Buffalo Crunchy Chips, that was awesome. Thank you for the love and support and the views on that video. You guys are the best fans in the world. But now I am back with my first official fast food review in about 4 years. Yeah! And what better way to start than to have some ice cream? More specifically, a mini blizzard. Yeah! So, ladies and gentlemen, what I present to you today is the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Yeah! Woo! Okay, so this has, you can see the pink topping. And this is the frosted animal cookie topping. So I'm just going to go right into this because if I wait longer, it's going to melt. Oh, yeah. You can see the animal cracker pieces. I don't know if you can see that very well, but oh, yeah, I like the focus. Let's go right in for the frosted animal cookie mini blizzard. Yep, that's really good. You can see the sprinkles on top. Wow. Very, very good. What I'm going to do is try to get a piece. Yep, here we go. This is goddamn amazing. No, this is so good. Let's, I'm trying to get a piece of the animal cookie, the frosted animal. There you go. You can see right there. There's a piece right there. That is spectacular. Wow, this is very, very good. It's been, I think, about 15 years, and I kid you not, 15 years since I've been in the Dairy Queen. It's been a while. This is a great way to come back. This is off their summer version menu. I bought, actually my mom and my dad bought all four flavors. Some of them are new, some of them are not, but they're off the summer version menu because they got, if you go to the Dairy Queen app, it's buy one get one free or BOGO, the mini blizzard. So that's what we did. We took advantage of the sale, and I present to you guys this because this is awesome. The flavor is spot on. Yeah, it's really good. So let's rate this on a scale of 1 to 10 before I eat this whole thing in front of you guys. I'm going to give the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen a definite 10 out of 10. Folks, if you love animal cookies or animal crackers, frosted animal crackers, this is the blizzard for you. It's creamy, it's sweet, it's soft, it hits a spot. So this gets a 10 out of 10. Please go to your local Dairy Queen. And you know what? I'll do one better. Download the app. Take advantage of the buy one get one free mini blizzard promotion. You will not go wrong. I promise you that, folks. This is awesome, and I still have 3 more blizzards to go, so you're gonna get a whole bunch of Dairy Queen videos, and I'm excited to bring them to you on the channel. So 10 out of 10. Go to your local Dairy Queen and let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your thoughts are, and then we're gonna go from there, folks. Well, folks, that will do it for my food review. I want to thank you for joining me. Please like, please share, and please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, from the Food Lab, You guys are the best fans in the world. Thank you for all that you do. I wouldn't be here without you guys. You guys are awesome. And I just want to say I'm very lucky to be in the position that I can do this as a hobby. Not as a job just yet. I used to have a job doing this, but now I don't. But this is a hobby. So thank you guys for all your love and support. And I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.